markets, everything. Now with all these things, again, logistics parks, everything we are working. So what I wanted to emphasize here, we are having a very ambitious plans on solar energy. We are having, India is going to add 500 gigawatts capacity, another 6-7 years solar energy or green energy. In that, Andhra Pradesh is going to contribute 160 gigawatts. You can imagine the scope, how we are going now. 78.5 gigawatts solar energy, 35 gigawatts wind energy, 22 gigawatts pumped storage, 25 gigawatts battery storage. We are already achieving very good progress. 10 lakh crores we are going to attract only on green energy immediately. That is the strength as on now. If you see ease of doing business earlier, now we are talking speed of doing business. Once you decide to invest in India, in Andhra Pradesh, then it will become our business. All clearances we are going to get on war footing immediately. If you see here, recently one industry, Premier Energies, one call, one deal, 45 days, all approvals are over, completed. Now they are starting manufacturing. It is 6,000 crores investment, 3,500 jobs they are going to provide. Recently, Reliance had an experience. Breweries, they started in Andhra Pradesh. September they started the application, they put application, immediately we cleared. February they are going to commence the production. You can imagine the speed. This is second largest globally they are going to set up in Andhra Pradesh. That is the speed of doing business we are doing now. Even Google same. Within days we are able to clear. Now tomorrow, day after tomorrow, they are going to lay the foundation. And also one of the biggest investment, RCR Mittal. This is a steel plant. We are launching now, another tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This is nearly 1,30,000 crores investment in Andhra Pradesh. Friends, what I wanted to impress upon you, incentives, we are better than anybody. Speed of doing business, nobody can match us. Once you decide to come here, it is a win-win situation. Once you put an application, all clearances, everything, we'll get it done. Not only that, we'll provide escort officer also to follow up and help you to the logical conclusion. Ultimately, business. Nowadays, distance is not the constraint. Especially from Europe friends, Germany is here. They are having strong knowledge. Now, you are having abundant opportunities in Andhra Pradesh. Europe is, from the beginning I have seen, that is where I am asking our Honorable Minister, Armenia has just now spoke. He had similar vision what I am having. I really appreciate him. You are also very aggressive. I can smell within no time. You are very positive, progressive, and also very, very enthusiastic. You want to do everything real time. That is the speed all of us has to think as policy makers. In Andhra Pradesh, I have seen everything. In India, I am telling you, it is a happening place. We are having 3-4 advantages. One advantage, we started economic reforms 1991. We adopted first mover advantage of information technology mid-90s. only the country in the world demographic dividend advantage. Young population is huge in India. And also if you see our Honorable Prime Minister, very stable government. For the last 11 years, he was the Prime Minister 12th year, and also earlier he was CM, Chief Minister of State, Gujarat, abundant experience. You can see his performance, 25 years without any hurdle, he is able to continue as Chief Minister and Prime Minister. I am very confident next election also is going to win. That is the stable government we are going to provide in India, and also investment will be safe. Apart from all these things, Europe and India, both are democratic countries. This is another biggest advantage for all of us. So what I wanted to appeal all of you, you are going to stay here 2 days, 3 days, and seeing is belief. You try one investment in India. If you are convinced, then everybody can come. I am not marketing, I am not pressurizing, but I am appealing lot of opportunities in India. All opportunities will start from Andhra Pradesh. This will be gateway for India to enter our markets. That is what I wanted to emphasize you. And also in course of time, we will work together. This is a track record, this is a brand we built over a period of 3 decades now.